Hey guys, I'm out here in nature, walking along this little stream. Goes that way. I'm not going that. I might go that way. I don't know. Just vlog about it. Maybe a little video. I don't know. Who knows? Got a problem here. Easy fix. Just go like that. Wanna go that way? Or it's starting to rain. Might be. Got water right there. I don't know if you want to go cross it, but I might be able to. Cross on this log here. And it'll be good to go. Yeah, I'm not going any further. Yeah, I'm done. Alright. In case you didn't know, I actually have a phobia of spiders and snakes. Just saw a web, I'm not going anywhere else near that. But I figured I'd come a little ways down here and maybe go around this. Looks safe to assume it's safe. Alright, well, maybe the other side, more wooded areas, and just overall just going on a little adventure, you know. There's no spitters. Nothing beats going out in nature sometimes. See, there's something over there. Oh, waterfall, maybe a beaver dam. Looks like. Well, it's nice out here though. It's nice. You know, this is, what channel it's supposed to be about weather, but sometimes can be about nature. Who knows? I don't know what channel I'm gonna upload this on, but that being said, I see you guys next time. Seemed like it might rain. Oh well. You don't know. Oh well. See you guys later.